Fishing is not about catching fish. It's about the memories you make and the people you share them with. The worst day of fishing is better than the best day of work. Fishing is the only sport where even if you don't catch anything, you still win. Fishing is not a destination, it's a journey. Fishing is not about the fish, it's about the moments. Fishing teaches patience and perseverance, the qualities that can benefit every aspect of your life. Fishing is a reminder that the simple things in life can bring the greatest joy. Fishing is not a hobby, it's a way of life. Fishing is not a matter of life and death, it's much more important than that.
Ето на Невенка шарана. Пати дясната, виж какво прави? Ето рибата, дами и господа. Ето е майсторката. И това е, до нови срещи.